Hi there, welcome back Rana Sam YouTube channel. So basically in this video I will discuss top 5 digital marketing course in right now in India. So if you want to come in digital marketing industry, so this video very beneficial for you, and I hope you have enjoyed the Diwali festival with your family, and you have to keep maintain the air pollution, because we have increasing loads of air pollution in Delhi in NCR. So that's why I have hope you have enjoy your family Diwali with your family very well. So basically in this video I recently told you I will discuss top 5 digital marketing course right now. So if you have done recently 12th standard, yeah, your graduation, and you are if you want to do digital marketing course, you are pretty confused which course is beneficial for you and which course provide your placement assistant and everything. Actually I have writing around 5 course right now, and those course, if you want to come digital marketing industry, and those course provide for you very exclusive knowledge about digital marketing industry and everything. So let's start. So first of all, we will start the basic understanding what is digital marketing. So digital marketing, I recently told I have already lots of time told you, this digital marketing is a kind of communication channel where we can communicate with our related audience by the help of internet via. So this is the basic information of digital marketing, and if you want to know about everything digital marketing, so I have uploaded already one video on my YouTube channel. You can watch that video, and you can get the more understanding about digital marketing industry, what's going on digital marketing industry, what is the beneficial for digital marketing industry, types of digital marketing, and which type better for you. And so that video will provide everything about the digital marketing industry. And second point in this video, top 5 digital marketing course. So basically this is not a paid video. It my personal experience, because I'm working in digital marketing industry since last 2 years. So and I have lots of research, I have done lots of research about that point, that topic, and after that I am creating this video. So if I talk about the top 5 digital marketing course, actually I am writing everything on my notebook. The first one is Upgrade. This is a platform, and those platform actually provide for you digital marketing course. So if you want to know everything about the digital marketing course, digital marketing industry, so this platform actually provide the course facility, and they have the both the someone have the one types of mode, like online mode course, and someone has the offline mode course, and someone has the both of them. So I will discuss deeply in this video which and everything, like placement, starting when the course has been started, and fees structure, and mode, and placement assistant. So let's start. If I talk about the top 5 platform where you can get the digital marketing understanding, the first one is Upgrade, second one is Simple Learn, and third one is IIDA, and fourth one is digital marketing, Digital Vidya, and fifth one is Delhi Institute of Internet Marketing. Those platforms actually provided for you digital marketing course. They have the different kind of course. The someone has the 3-month course, the someone has the 6-month course. It completely depends your understanding, your family background. If you are able to do 5 months course, 6-month course, 3-month course, so you can so opt anyone. I will not suggest you, because everyone has the different kind of mindset. So it completely depend yourself. You can choose any of them. So if I talk about the first course, Upgrade. Upgrade actually it is an online platform where you can get the get the understanding lot of kind of course in IT industry, not IT like finance, MBA. If you want to do MBA, they actually provide the MBA course. They kind of online university, and they provide it's provide everything about the IT in everything about the IT industry. So if I talk about the name of the course which Upgrade actually providing right now, the course name is certification digital marketing in certification program in digital marketing. So if you are a beginner, so you have to start this course. Honestly, if you cannot travel Delhi NCR, yeah Delhi NCR, you want to learn digital marketing at your home, so this is the best platform honestly, because I recently told you I'm working since last year in digital marketing industry, and I have met lots of people. So and those people actually have been done lots of course for this platform. This is a very good platform honestly, because if you have low budget, I will tell. First of all, I tell you everything. This course actually started 2015, and fees structure for this course 90,000 plus GST. So and third one and mode of this course online mode. I recently told you this is a completely online platform. They actually they does not has any kind of branch in Delhi NCR, and also Bangalore. If you want to do this course, so you have to choose online mode, and you can get the better understanding at your home. If I talk about the placement assistant, they platform actually provide the placement assistant for you. If you are able to get the job by the help of him, so you can select this course. Because I recently told you, if you cannot travel in Delhi NCR, you have the kind low budget, so you should this course. I know that the fees structure much higher, much higher, but honestly, the platform excuse it. This is my personal review. If I talk about the second course in this video, Simple Learn. The Simple Learn actually another online platform. So for the course name is Digital Marketing Specialist. If you have done basic understanding, you have get the lots of understanding about minimal understanding about the digital marketing industry, so you can start this course. This course actually started 2010, and if I talk about the fees structure for this course, 60,400 to 16,000 for 64,200, and the mode also online mode, which was the Upgrade, and they also provide the placement assistant. So if you have the tight budget, so you can opt this platform, and you can become a digital marketing specialist after getting the certificate. And you could I recently told you they also provide a placement assistant, so they can also schedule your interview in MNC company, but you have to go get the interview, and I hope you will get the actual job in digital marketing industry. If I talk about the third platform, where you can get the where you can get the course in digital marketing industry, IIDA. This is one of the best platform, to be honest, and they also provide the online mode. Because when I wanted to do digital marketing course as beginner early on my phase after completed graduation, so I have listened a lots of about the IIDA. They are very exclusive platform. If you want to do digital marketing industry, so you have to start this platform, to be honest. They actually if I talk about the name of course which they are providing right now, professional certification in digital marketing. So if you want to become a professionally in digital marketing industry, so you have to you can choose this course, and you have to you could start your digital marketing journey by the help of this course. If I talk about the started year for this course, the course has been start 2016. It has been done around 7 years, so you can get the understanding how much they have been gone, and they also provide the quality of education. So you can choose this institute, if I talk institute, and you can get the understanding about the digital marketing. If I talk about the fees structure of this course, they actually have the 1,60,000. To be honest, one of the highest fees in my this topic video. Actually, I recently told you, they actually provide the kind of education quality. If you want to learn seriously about the digital marketing industry, so you can start. I know that they have the lots of they have the biggest fee structure in my list, but it completely depends yourself. You can, if you have a good budget, so you can choose, but otherwise you can also my last one, or any one of one in my list. It completely depend of yourself. If I talk about the mode, it also provide the online mode, and they also provide the placement assistant. If you are not able to get the job in digital marketing industry, they will help for you providing the digital marketing job, and they also schedule your interview. Lots of company, but you have to go to give your interview in the very well manner. If I talk about the fourth platform where you can get the digital marketing course, they actually Delhi Institute, Delhi Digital Vidya. So if I talk about the name of the course, which they are providing right now, certified digital marketer course. If you want to become a certified digital marketer, so you can get that, choose this platform. If I talk about the starting date of this course, it has been 2020 2009, and the fees structure 49,000 plus GST. So this is a budget friendly platform. If you want to get, if you have the tight budget, so you can select this one. And they if I talk about the one of the best thing of this course, they also have the branches. So they have the online, also offline mode. So if you want to get the experience, learn the experience face to face with your teachers, so you can select this platform. They also have the lots of branches in Delhi NCR, Noida, Gurgaon and Delhi. So you can select of any of them, which one is beneficial for you, and you can start the learn digital marketing. They also provide the placement assistant. So if you have the tight budget, so you can select for this, and you also learn one-to-one communication. So this is one of the best platform. So if I talk about the fifth, Delhi Institute of Internet Marketing, they also settle in Delhi NCR. And if I talk about the name of the course for this, name of the course which they are providing right now, master in digital marketing. If you want to become a master in digital marketing industry, so you can select this platform. And if I talk about the starting date for this course, this course has been start 2011. It has been around 11 years. So you can getting my point. If they are providing the quality of education, so you can get the admission in this institute, and you can start your digital marketing. You can start your digital marketing career right now. If I talk about the fees structure, they also have 45,000. It is below around 4,000. My last one. So if I talk about the mode, so they also provide the offline and online mode. I recently told you, if you want to get if you want to learn the experience how we can communicate one to one with our teacher, so you can select any of them. My last two one, any of one in my last two one. It completely depend yourself. And if I talk about the placement assistant, they also provide the placement assistance. So placement assistant. So that's all in this video. If you have any issue regarding this video, so please let me know in the comment box. Yeah, if you want to make the video on the specific topic, so please put that topic in the comment box. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. See you soon.